Hello, I'm Semi. I'm in the quality department. Today, I'll be talking to you about the 5S technique, which is one of the subcomponents of the 360-degree quality approach we implement in our modern PCB manufacturing facility. So what is 5S? 5S is a technique we use to create a quality working environment and to establish a sustainable production setting. It is about optimizing the workspace in terms of safety, comfort, and cleanliness. Why should we implement 5S? Waste becomes visible, and its elimination becomes easier. It increases our control over materials, equipment, and the workspace. It helps reduce occupational safety risks to zero. It increases quality value and reduces costs. 5S is a cycle formed by bringing together 5 words that start with the letter S in English. In Turkish, these are sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Sorting means separating and removing different materials from the workspace, which is then followed by the organizing phase. Placing these items in a more accessible area and grouping the same or similar products together. Cleaning means removing the dirt that appears after the existing clutter is sorted out. Standardizing is about establishing a standard to maintain the order that has been created. And sustaining means preserving the cycle formed in the previous 4 steps. Now, we will talk about the applications of this 5S cycle in our facility. We implement the 5S methodology in all operations at our facility. Now, together with you, we will examine the rework and product analysis station, where product variety and flow are the most variable, and discuss how 5S practices are carried out here. Please go ahead. Hello, Sahim Bey. Could you tell us how you implement 5S at your station?
Hello, Semi Bey. Of course. I have just finished an operation. We placed the PCB I was working on into its designated tray, which we had previously determined. Then, according to the requirements of the new incoming process, I will place all the equipment on my desk in their designated spots. I put all the materials I used temporarily into their marked box. I return the soldering iron I used to its place. Our mobile phone is always with us at the company for communication. Our personal belongings are always with us. This is where our ESD screwdrivers belong. We put the tweezers back in place. We place our keyboard and mouse, which we cleared space for on our desk, back in their usual standard spots. We also throw all the waste generated during the process into the trash bin and finish cleaning our desk. Our planner is also a personal item. It is always with us. At this point, our desk is ready for the next work process. In this way, we apply the discipline we have standardized through sorting, organizing, and cleaning methods to every aspect of our daily lives.
Thank you, Mr. Saheen. Not only the operation desks in the production area, but also the overall layout of the production area has been determined according to the 5S methodology. At this point, the operation desks and the machines used in the operation have their areas defined with yellow tape, and the processes are carried out within these designated areas. Additionally, storage areas are marked with blue tape. In areas where there is a risk of electric shock or potential for workplace accidents, yellow and black tape is used. The areas where fire extinguishers are located are surrounded with red and white tape. Apart from this, sometimes there can be outputs or non-conforming products that differ from the operations. We store these in areas marked with red tape and manage their processes accordingly. We are currently in the storage area of our facility. The warehouse management system in our facility has also been designed in line with the 5S methodology. Incoming products are sorted and then placed on their pre-designated shelves along with identification labels, and the production and operations units are supplied with materials from here. At this point, The consistency and standardized approach of our warehouse management are decisive for the speed of the production units and the accuracy of the planning units. To monitor the effectiveness of the 5S approach we implement, and to maintain and further improve the current situation, we conduct GEMBA walks. During GEMBA walks, the team comes together to identify existing safety risks, check the condition of machinery and equipment, ask other employees questions about the standards being followed and implemented, and also to increase interaction among employees. We gather and inspect our facility from the security booth at the entrance gate all the way up to the solar systems on the rooftop. They take notes on the deficiencies and negative situations they identify in these areas and present them to management so that actions can be taken. We carry out these activities with a 360-degree quality management approach. Today, we talked with you about the 5S technique we implement in our facility and some of its application areas. See you in the next video. Have a good day.